You know Bitcoin, you know Ethereum, but Chainlink is what actually makes it useful. And if you don't know what Chainlink is, stay tuned because I'm going to break down fully what it is. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys. And today we are talking about Chainlink. Very excited to make this video because I'm very bullish on Chainlink. I own Chainlink and I think Chainlink is here to stay and it is for the future. So for those that don't know Chainlink, I'm going to explain it very briefly. We're going to look at news and then we're talking about market structure and where I think price is going to go. And I think this is a very good buying opportunity if you don't have it already. So what is Chainlink? Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain network that enables smart contracts to securely connect with real world data, right? So blockchains can't access external data, stuff like stock prices or the weather outside or the fact that the Jays are playing the Dodgers in the World Series, stuff like that. And then Chainlink brings that to the blockchains, right? So it provides that data to the blockchains. So we also know that Chainlink is fast, it's verifiable, it's reliable, and it is decentralized, which is why so many people have already invested and they have partnered with so many massive partners, as you can see over here, right? Many people that you know, AAVE, you saw MasterCard, you saw Fidelity, massive partnerships, okay? So that is in turn what Chainlink is. And in the beginning of the video, when I talked about, Bitcoin, Ethereum, but Chainlink actually makes it useful because it is what I was talking about, how if Bitcoin and Ethereum are blockchains, they don't have data to, let's just say, gold hitting all-time highs, right? Chainlink provides that for those blockchains and it makes them useful. So looking at some of the news before we break down market structure. And the news is very interesting because all the news basically that comes out for Chainlink is just massive global news. So 24 of the largest financial institutions, all with Chainlink, right? You can see how many they are, and they're all conducted by Chainlink. By the way, there was a bunch of news. I picked out 3 because I didn't want to bore you guys too much. And yeah. So another thing, today Chainlink co-founder, this was on October 21st, today Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov spoke about bridging traditional finance with the digital asset ecosystem of the Federal Reserves. So being able to talk about the Federal Reserve is very huge for the future, right? Imagine if the Federal Reserve gets involved with Chainlink. That will just absolutely blow it up to the moon. It's going to get so bullish. Price is going to go absolutely crazy. And lastly, we're excited to announce that S&P Global Ratings, the leading credit rating agency relied by 95% of the top 20 global institutional investors, is collaborating with Chainlink. So for you guys to not have to read this entire little article, I'm going to break it down because that's what I'm here for. Basically, in the most simple terms, the S&P Global plus Chainlink is the future of on-chain transparency and institutional DeFi, right? So Chainlink isn't just connecting crypto projects, it's connecting the entire financial system to the blockchain. So just think of Wall Street connecting to the blockchain, okay? So we're going to talk about market structure very quickly. We are 86% bullish. We need to get that to 90%. It looks even better. 86 is absolutely great already, but 90 just has that extra little oomph to it. We are down market cap, down in price, down in volume, and we are on all the biggest exchanges. So looking at market structure, I hope you guys are still here because I feel like this is one of the most important parts of the video. So what do we have is we have this fair value gap, this imbalance in price. And we can see it as a strong area because we have tapped off it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and we do not want to close below, right? We are holding this area, so it shows that it is a strong area. That also means this is a strong buying area if you haven't bought already. And I know many of you guys like the RSI, so you can see on the RSI we are undersold. We are below the 20 range, even below the 10 range, which is the more aggressive one. We are below that, which indicates this is a good buying momentum, right? You want this, and then it's gonna gradually go up like that, which means price can also go up like that. So I think this is a fantastic buying opportunity. God, excuse me, I'm pretty sick for the coughing. So this is still a fantastic buying opportunity, right? And if you buy here and you target these highs, 86% gain. Now, obviously, we're going to be targeting even further highs once the bull run happens and altcoin season happens. But these two targets are our nearest liquidity zones that I have targeted, right? These two just make sense in terms of low term or short-term gain, right? So I do think this is a fantastic buying opportunity if you haven't already. If it does close below this zone for some reason, I will tell you guys what I see price doing next, what I anticipate, because I do see a clear path, but we have to adapt to price. We don't have a crystal ball to predict where price is going to go. And as for now, price is respecting this area, so we are expecting it to go up. So if you haven't already, buy up Chainlink. It is a good time. We obviously believe in the project. I think it's going to hit $32 by the end of the year. I think that is a very realistic doubling of price. And yeah, we will see what price gives us. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really, really does mean a lot. Let me know in the comments if you guys are holding Chainlink, if you're bullish on it, if there's any other projects you want me to look at. Make sure you guys do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll see you all in the next video.